Welcome everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining my art channel today. I'm going to do a little painting, a little black-based oxide black painting, and I'm going to use pearl colours. So I've got a plan of pearl yellow, green and blue and some gold. I've never done this experiment before, just using pearl colours. I love using them quite often, but I've heard watching another YouTube channel, very famous one, Winska Downer. She's done some amazing paintings using pearl, just pearl colours. I've never done it, so today's the day. Let's have a go. Thank you. I've got this is an oxide black mix that's left over from some other paintings, and it's actually got a little bit of pearl colours in it, which is very convenient. I've got pearl yellow, pearl green, pearl blue, and I'm going to put some gold on top. So I'm just going to do a very simple puddle pour, starting with pearl yellow, pearl green, pearl blue, and all of my paintings I can't not use gold, I just can't. So I'll just pour some paint around there so that there's lots of room for the paint to move. Now I'm going to blow the paint over. Isn't that just incredible that these pearl colours are just amazing on the dark background. We've got some incredible blue, the gold's in there. I can't, green's over here. So I'll just blow this out a bit. Composition away for the camera there. I think it will go like this. So you've got direct in front of you. Amazing. These pearl colours are amazing. Amsterdam, you've done it again. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Let's have a look at some details. I think this will be the final composition. I'm just not quite sure at this point. So that gold and the pearl, it's hard to pick up all the colours right now, but you can see some blue and green there. The gold looks spectacular. I'm thinking in the centre, I think that's a lot of yellow, but I'll be really interested to see how this dries, whether it dries more subdued, or if it stays bright like this with the pearl against a dark base without any white in there. I'm really not sure, so I'll do a recording when the painting is dry to let you see. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much for your support.